Take a look at these Instagram pages and YouTube channels. They're becoming incredibly popular, gaining millions of views and followers very quickly. Today, I'm going to show you the exact steps to make those popular videos that are getting millions of views on Instagram and YouTube. But here's the exciting part. You don't need to spend a lot of time planning or editing, and you don't need to spend a lot of money. All you need is your handy mobile phone and a good internet connection to make videos just like these. And don't worry, even though I'll be showing you on my computer, you can follow along on your phone just as easily. Are you ready to be part of the AI revolution? Let's dive in. First, go to Midjourney and join their Discord channel. You will need to choose one of their premium subscriptions because we'll be using the videos for business purposes. Now, here's where the fun begins. Choose the highest dimension and type your idea into the message box. The idea should be the same one that I'm using right now. You can only change the character if you want. For instance, I'm using a young businessman here, but you can switch it to an old man, a warrior, or something else if you'd like. Also, remember to pick the V5 model to get the best results. After that, click on Generate. Next, you'll get 4 AI-created pictures. If you like any of them, upscale by clicking on U1, U2, U3, U4, and proceed to download it. Now we're going to make a script. For this, we'll use the very popular ChatGPT. Just paste the prompt that I provided in the description. If you want, you can make your own. Now watch ChatGPT does its thing, giving you a video script that will both captivate and inform your viewers. Next, it's time to make our video using the picture we created with AI. Here's how we're going to do it. First, go to d-dash.com and click on the free trial option. Once you're there, click on Create Video. See that little plus sign? Click on that. Sign up with your email or just continue with Google. Now select Add and upload the picture that was made by AI. Then it's time to give your video the perfect voice and style. Look through the different options and find the one that suits your character. Remember, you can listen to a preview of the voice right here. Once you've found the perfect mix that you like, click on Generate Video. It will show you how many credits it will use. You start with 20 credits, but don't worry, you can either buy more credits or, if you're smart, sign up with a different email to get another 20 credits completely free. Now watch as your video is created. Once it's ready, just download it. But wait, because the best part is still to come. Many people are doing the same thing, but their videos are not high quality because they simply download and upload the file, making it worse than a wet potato. But we're going to do better. Before we move on, let's add some engaging subtitles to our video. To add subtitles, we're going to use a great free video editing tool called CapCut. Once you've got CapCut open, import the video we just made and easily drag and drop it onto the timeline. Now let's focus on adding the subtitles. Click on the text option and choose Auto Captions. With just one click on Create, your subtitles will appear like magic. To make them easier to read, let's make the subtitles bigger. We want them to be easy for our viewers to read. Next, let's make them look good. Choose the font option, and personally I suggest Arial Black because it looks nice. Now scroll down and turn on the stroke and shadow features. These small additions will make your subtitles stand out. To keep everything flowing nicely, click on the subtitles themselves and adjust the length of the sentences if needed. You can break sentences into 2 parts by hitting the Enter key. Once you've made your subtitles perfect, it's time to export. Just click on Export and choose the 1080p resolution.
Meet Maya, a shy girl who discovers a mysterious book. Its pages transport her to thrilling worlds where she faces challenges, learns courage, and defeats fearsome monsters. Young viewers accompany Maya on her quest, solving puzzles and making brave choices. As the journey progresses, they uncover their own inner courage. Through this interactive experience, children learn that bravery is not the absence of fear, but facing it with determination.
Now, before we upload the video on Instagram, it's important to adjust the setting. Go to the settings and turn on the Upload at Highest Resolution option. This makes sure that your video keeps its quality when uploaded. You successfully learned how to create these amazing AI-generated videos. But wait, if you've watched this video until this point, I have a special gift for you. All you have to do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," and I'll personally give you a free resource that will help you master AI and start a business using it. This is my way of showing appreciation for your support. Thank you for joining me on this journey. See you in the next one.